Okay guys, I want to take a quick second and show you how to use your inbox in Canvas. I know most of you know how to do this, but just in case you don't. So anywhere in your Canvas courses, you have this toolbar over here to the side. And right here, the one that looks like a piece of paper popping up is the inbox. If you hit the inbox, it should open up probably many messages that I've sent to you, whether you've read them or not. You can go up here to the top of the page, and here is compose a new message. So you will click on the compose new message to select a course. You can, I believe yours are the same as mine, go to homeroom, you can go to reading, writing, whichever one you want to put it in. Maybe even just select course and it's not specific that you have to. Then the subject area, you can say week 20, day 2, writing. And then down here at the bottom, you have two choices. You can hit an attachment where you can pull up a picture or a document to send it to me. Or if I'm asking you to write questions in your notebook and to take a picture, you can come here to the media, and here you'll see me sitting in my living room. You can start recording, or you can upload the media right here. When you start recording, right into your Canvas Studio, and it will attach it. And once you're done, you hit send. All right, looking forward to it.